Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, myself Harshali Dhage. I am the student of third year computer department of Zeal Polytechnic Pune. My group number is 6 and my group members are Varadraj Kabade and Viraj Bhalekar. Our project topic is study any Trojan attack and identify the Trojan attack under the guidance of Professor Mahesh Pawar sir. Let's move to the next slide. Introduction. A Trojan is a type of malicious code, or we can say software, that looks legitimate but can take control of your computer or your device. A Trojan is for damage, disturb, steal, or in general inflict some other harmful actions on your data or on your network. Let's see the project abstract. Attackers mainly use social media. The Trojan delivers malware code in an innocent looking email attachment or free download. When the user clicks on the email attachment or downloads the free program, the malware that is hidden inside the Trojan is transferred to the user's computer device. Most of the time, your system will give you DLL error, which is associated with the Trojan attack. You can copy the error and find out about the affected exe file online. If you forget this step, then it will restore the files you delete. When you restart, press F8 and then select safe mode to start your computer. The next part of the PPT will explain by Viraj.
Types of Trojans. Thank you, Harshali. Now we will see the types of Trojans. There are many more types of Trojans. Virus. From that we will see some Trojans. First is command shell Trojans. The types of Trojans give permissions or remote control of the victim's command shell by opening a part for the attacker to connect. Second, document Trojans. Document Trojans is embedded into documents as an attachment is the documents. Third, email Trojans. This Trojan gains control by sending email message to victim, and it is gained by attacker. Then attack sends commands through email and retrieve files or folder. Fourth, FTP Trojans. FTP Trojans install on FTP server on the victim's machine, which opens FTP files. The way Trojan got installed. The Trojan got installed by the hackers, and primary means that hackers install Trojan on mobile computers and independent devices. The method that Trojan got installed. First, social engineering. It is the social technique that the Trojan software, emails, and advertisement. Second, spear phishing. It is a fake or spam emails that contains its malicious attachment. Third, fake software. As through it is fake software, the Trojan attacks your device. Fourth, exploit kits. It is design it scan device and through it copies the IP address. How Trojan can impact you? Impact of Trojan. 1. Backdoor. It gives remote control of infected computer. Second, Trojan SMS. This can charge you by sending text message. Third, Trojan downloader. It is install the new version of malicious programs. And fourth, Trojan DDoS. It is attached attackers against web address. Okay, then next part will be explained by Varad. Thank you.
Thank you, Viraj. We will see how do Trojan work. Trojan will affect from backward. We might receive an email from someone, and by clicking on what looks it will make an legitimate attachment. When the email comes and clicked by us, then the email is downloaded and opened, and it is gone to install malware on device. It can damage your computer when we execute the program. Then the malware can spread for other files. Trojans are developed to do different things, but we can feel our device is running smoothly as usual. It runs, but it doesn't. Now we will turn to what to do if we get a Trojan tips. As Trojan is more effective and danger for our device, also we have some methods to clear the Trojan. We will see how to get rid from this. First thing, disable the function of system restore. To disable this, we should go to Windows setting and disable. Second thing, after this, restart the computer. After restarting, we should remove extensions. As we above seen method to get rid from Trojan, now we will see the other methods of removing Trojan. Firstly, we need to design the hidden folders from the folder option. Then you got to restart the system in the safe mode. After that, you need to disable the process that are associated with Trojan virus. To create these steps, you will have to edit our system register. Now we will see that how hackers infect system using Trojan. Create a new Trojan package using the Trojan construction kit. Hackers create the dropper, which is part in a Trojanized packet that installs malicious code on targeted system. Hackers create a wrapper using tools to install Trojan on victim's computer, propagate the Trojan and execute the dropper, then execute the damage routines. As this, we can infect system using Trojan. Thank you.